ChatGPT limitations. While the system we've explored has shown some impressive capabilities, it's important to note that it's not infallible. There are certain limitations and potential pitfalls to be aware of when using it. One important consideration is the recency of the data used to train the system. Depending on when the data was collected, the system may not have access to the most up-to-date information, which could result in incorrect or outdated answers. Additionally, it's important to be aware that no system is perfect, and this one is no exception. It may give incorrect answers, particularly if it encounters questions that are outside of its area of expertise or are ambiguous in some way. Finally, like any AI system, there is a risk of bias or inappropriate responses. This could be due to a number of factors, such as biased training data or limitations in the algorithm used to generate responses. It's important to be vigilant and aware of these potential issues when using the system. Let's start by discussing the recency of data. The system has only been trained on data up until the end of 2021, so depending on what you're asking for, this could be an issue. For instance, if you ask it to research trending keywords for travel to South Africa in the last 3 months, the system may not have access to real-time data and may not be able to provide accurate or up-to-date answers. In general, the system may struggle with questions that require access to the most recent information or data, as it may not have been trained on that information. In some cases, it may even inform you that it doesn't have access to real-time data, as in the example we just discussed. So while the system is highly capable, it's important to keep in mind that it may not always have the most up-to-date information. In some cases, the system may inform you that it doesn't have data past 2021, as that is the extent of its current training. This may limit its ability to provide accurate or up-to-date information on certain topics, particularly those that are time-sensitive or require access to the most recent data. For example, if you're looking for information on recent news stories, the system may not be able to provide the most current or relevant information. However, it may still be able to offer more general insights on topics like travel trends or popularity, even if it doesn't have access to the most recent data. Overall, it's important to be mindful of the system's limitations and to consider the nature of the question you're asking before relying too heavily on its responses. It's worth noting that the system is designed to continuously learn and improve over time, so as it's trained on more current data, it should become better and better at providing accurate and relevant information. However, it's important to keep in mind that like any AI system, the system may occasionally generate incorrect or inaccurate information. This could be due to a number of factors, such as biases in the training data, limitations in the algorithm used to generate responses, or gaps in the system's knowledge. That being said, the system is constantly learning, getting smarter, and providing more accurate answers as it's exposed to more data and user interactions. So while it may not be perfect, it's a highly capable tool that can be incredibly helpful in many contexts. Like any AI system, the system may occasionally make mistakes or generate incorrect information. For example, there are several examples online where it has struggled with word problems or complex math equations. That being said, the system is designed to learn from its mistakes and improve over time. For instance, when I first started using it, I asked it to generate some Excel formulas and code snippets for me, and there were some mistakes in both of those. However, when I reran those requests today, the system seemed to have corrected those errors and provided more accurate responses. So while the system may occasionally generate incorrect or incomplete information, it's important to view it as a work in progress that is constantly improving and becoming more accurate as it's exposed to more data and user interactions. It's important to keep in mind that the system's accuracy and effectiveness are directly tied to the data it was trained on. While it's constantly improving as it's exposed to more data and user interactions, it may still have limitations and biases that can impact the quality of its responses. As a user of the system, you are ultimately responsible for ensuring the accuracy and appropriateness of the information it provides. This means critically evaluating the responses it generates and cross-referencing them with other sources of information to ensure they're reliable and up-to-date. Finally, it's worth noting that like any AI system, the system may occasionally produce harmful instructions or biased content. This is an area that's constantly improving, but it's important to remain vigilant and report any issues or concerns to the appropriate authorities if they arise. It's important to note that the system is designed to keep conversations on track and avoid providing inappropriate or harmful advice. For example, if you were to ask it how to rob a bank, it would likely respond with a message discouraging such behavior. Similarly, the system has undergone extensive efforts to identify and remove bias from its responses. While no AI system is completely free from bias, the team behind the system has worked to address and minimize any biases that may be present in its responses. These efforts are ongoing and reflect a commitment to creating a system that is fair, unbiased, and helpful to all users. So while there may still be limitations and areas for improvement, the system is constantly evolving and improving to meet the needs of its users. The team behind the system has worked hard to identify and address bias in its responses, with a focus on creating a fair and unbiased tool for all users. For example, in the past, the system sometimes generated code that made unwarranted assumptions about gender and income. However, ongoing efforts to address and eliminate such biases are helping to make the system more reliable and effective. To recap, using the ChatGPT system is quick and easy, and it can be accessed right from your browser. However, it's important to keep in mind that the system's accuracy and effectiveness are tied to the data it was trained on, and that as a user, you are responsible for ensuring the accuracy and appropriateness of its responses. Additionally, efforts are ongoing to address any biases that may be present in the system's responses. To use the ChatGPT system, simply visit chat.openai.com in your web browser. While there is no official app from OpenAI, there are several third-party apps available for those who prefer a more specialized experience. The free version of the system provides full functionality, allowing you to ask questions, generate responses, and engage in conversations with the AI. However, you may experience some lag or delays during peak usage times. For those who require more reliable and consistent performance, a paid Plus version is available. Priced at $20 per month, this version is expected to offer faster response times and more advanced features. Overall, whether you choose to use the free or paid version, ChatGPT offers a powerful and user-friendly tool for generating responses and engaging with AI in a variety of ways. ChatGPT has an impressive memory feature that allows it to remember previous conversations and refine its responses accordingly. This means that as you continue to engage with the AI, it will become more familiar with your preferences and be better able to provide accurate and relevant responses. However, it's important to keep in mind that the system is not infallible, and there may be times when you need to correct or refine its responses. Fortunately, ChatGPT makes this easy by allowing you to provide feedback and make adjustments to its answers in real time. While ChatGPT is a powerful tool for generating responses and engaging with AI, it's important to always verify the accuracy and appropriateness of the information it provides. Ultimately, you are responsible for ensuring that the information you use is accurate and reliable. Alright, we've covered a lot about ChatGPT so far, and it's clear that it's a powerful tool for generating responses and engaging with AI. But let's take a moment to explore some real-world applications for this technology and how it can help make your job easier. For example, ChatGPT can be used to generate automated responses to customer inquiries and support requests, freeing up valuable time and resources for your team. It can also be used to assist with research and data analysis, providing quick and accurate answers to complex questions. In the healthcare industry, ChatGPT can be used to assist with diagnosis and treatment planning, providing doctors and other medical professionals with access to the latest research and medical knowledge in real time. And in the education sector, it can be used to provide personalized learning experiences for students, adapting to their unique needs and preferences. Customer support. ChatGPT can be used to create chatbots that can handle customer inquiries and support requests. This can help businesses save time and resources while improving the customer experience. Content creation. ChatGPT can generate ideas for blog posts, social media updates, and other forms of content. This can help content creators overcome writer's block and come up with fresh, engaging content on a regular basis. Research ChatGPT can help researchers quickly gather information on a wide range of topics. This can save time and streamline the research process, making it easier to uncover insights and draw conclusions. Personal productivity. ChatGPT can be used to automate routine tasks, such as scheduling appointments or sending reminders. This can help individuals save time and focus on more important tasks. These are just a few examples of how ChatGPT can be applied in the real world. With its powerful capabilities and versatile functionality, it's clear that this technology has the potential to revolutionize a wide range of industries and make our lives easier in countless ways. Let's wrap it up for now. We'll bring you more informative content in our next video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe and share this video. Thank you for watching.